I am thrilled to announce our latest acquisition into Fund 4, the fourth asset, Nese Apartments, Whitestown, Indiana, the fastest growing suburb in the state, northwest side of Indianapolis. We've got a Class A, brand new institutional asset, and it's our opportunity to make another great buy for Fund 4. Upside in rents and operations. It's straight down the fairway for our business model. And I am clicking my heels on the job growth in this area. This is literally within a 15-minute commute of billions of dollars, tens of billions of dollars of Indiana's economic development pipeline, the LEAP District up the street, Lilly's brand new $3.5 billion manufacturing facility for their new miracle weight loss drug, and other big economic development announcements in the running for this huge district. Log into your portal or sign up for an account today to access more information, the PPM, the supplemental for this specific asset, and our latest webinar on the Nese Apartments.